In Young's double slit experiment, intensity at a point on a screen is K. Resultant intensity at a point on a screen is K when path difference is lambda. When path difference is lambda. When path difference is lambda, intensity at a point is K. What will be the intensity at a point? What will be the intensity at a point? What will be the intensity at a point where path difference is lambda by 4? What will be the intensity at a point where path difference, say that intensity is I dash. I dash we have to find out when path difference is lambda by 4. Now let I0 be the intensity of, I0 is the intensity of, I0 is the intensity of each wave. I0 is intensity of each wave and phi represent phase difference between them. Phi represent phase difference between them, between the two interfering waves. Now the resultant intensity, see here, when path difference is lambda, when path difference is equal to lambda, then what is the corresponding phase difference? Phase difference phi is equal to, phase difference phi is equal to 2 pi by lambda into path difference. It is lambda, so this lambda get cancelled with lambda, so it is equal to 2 pi radian. Phase difference is equal to how much? 2 pi radian, so therefore phi by 2 is equal to pi radian. And what is the cos of pi? Cos of pi is equal to, cos of pi is equal to, cos pi is equal to minus 1. Cos pi is equal to what? Minus 1. So the resultant intensity at a point I is equal to 4I0 cos square phi by 2, that is equal to 4I0 cos square of, what is phi by 2? Means it is pi, that is equal to 4I0 into square of minus 1 is 1, so it is equal to 4I0, but we were given this I is equal to K, therefore 4I0 is equal to K, 4I0 is equal to what? K. Now when phase difference, when path difference of, when path difference is lambda by 4, it means what is the phase difference? Phase difference is equal to 2 pi by lambda into lambda by 4. This lambda get cancelled with lambda, 2 1s are 2 2s are, so it is equal to pi by 2, and cos of, here phase phi equal to pi by 2, phi is equal to pi by 2, so cos phi by 2, phi equal to pi by 2 means cos phi by 2 is what? Cos of pi by 4, means it is cos of 180 by 4, means it is cos of 45, cos of 45, and that is equal to 1 by root 2. So when path difference of lambda by 4 is there, then the resultant intensity at a point I dash is equal to 4I0 into cos square phi by 2, that is equal to 4I0 into, what is cos phi by 2? Cos phi by 2 is cos 45, and that is 1 by root 2, so into 1 by root 2 whole square, that is equal to 4I0 into, what is square of 1 by root 2? 1 by 2, so this 2 2s are 4, so that is equal to 2I0, I dash is equal to 2I0, but we know 4I0 equal to K, 4I0 equal to K, means I dash is equal to, here multiplied by 2, so 2 into 2I0 divided by 2, that is 4I0 divided by 2, but 4I0 is K, so K divided by 2. So the new intensity of light at a point when path difference is lambda by 2, it is K by 2, it is K by 2. So out of 4 options, look at option D, D K by 2 is the correct option for this question.